Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. I'm Kimberly, the unofficial Basherqueen. In this video you will see a bash session with my new upgraded Arrma Outcast in the Dune. But first of all, I have to say thank you to all of you who subbed my channel, and especially a big thank you for the support of Kevin Talbot and Pat. Without them you wouldn't even know my channel. So a big thank you to Kevin Talbot, the most interesting and well-made RC channel on YouTube, and to Pat, the most lovely guy on YouTube in the RC scene. Guys, absolutely fantastic over here. I have to tell you what happened to the car. And finally, nothing. I had no problems. The only issue I had that the strap got loose and I lost the battery. And my fault. I mounted this clip the wrong way side. Next, the wrong way around. Wrong way around the side, I don't know. The wrong way around, so my cable went into the spare gear and I cut the cable from the ESC. But this was my fault, nothing from the car itself. And everything stood in perfect condition. Yeah, for sure, it was only sand, so there are no scratches or only very minor scratches on the chassis and on the front bumper, only here. But you saw what I did with the truck with this high speed and far jumps, and nothing. Everything's fine. No bendings, no twisting from the chassis, it's perfect straight. The shop towers did a very good job. Everything's fine. I'm very, very happy with this truck. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified, and see you. That's it for this video. Yes. This video. Nee, das ist ja... Third Party ist wieder was anderes. Was hast du denn? Moment. Take 3000. Kann ja. Falsch, heißt ich doch gar nicht. Gehen nach Hause.